Hello class, how are you? Welcome back to this English class. Do you feel fine? Excellent. Let's begin with this class, alright? But before we do that, how do you feel today? How's the weather and everything, alright? Write down in the comments below. Excellent. Alright, on the previous class we finished the unit review, the first part, okay? Page 100. That's what we finished on the last class. On this class we are going to finish page 101, which is the last page of the unit review, and it's going to be super simple, okay? Just like the first part, this is going to be super easy, all right? Okay, but before we start, let's wake up with a little activity, all right? It's going to be super simple, okay? You're going to raise your hand like this, and you're going to make a fist. And then I'm going to ask you to raise 1, 2, 5, or any fingers I say. Alright? Ready? 1, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 5. Perfect. You did it really good. Alright class, now that we are awake and we are ready, let's go to the page. Page is 101. Right? I'm going to help you with a little bit of explanation, and also I'm going to put the number of the pages in which these topics were exposed, right? Because all of these things you already know, right? Okay, let's begin. Let's go. Page 101. And here we go. Unit review. And we have 13 activities, all right? And these are the topics that we're going to be answering. Relative pronoun, conjunctions, do, does, and did, future simple tense and future progressive tense, and future perfect tense, indefinite pronouns, and comparative and superlative. Super easy. We already finished the pages of this, so it's going to be super easy. Let's begin with the number 1. It says, let's read together. Combine the sentences using a relative pronoun, right? Excellent. Remember, a relative pronoun, it's a word that refers to another thing. Remember, we use them to avoid repeating the same pronoun. Easy. What are the relative pronouns? Here's a list. If you want to remember everything and watch it again before answering this part, go to page 82 and 83. There you can find all the information about relative pronouns, alright? Okay, so you can pause the video right now to answer this. Miss Murple is one of my neighbors. Miss Murple lives on my street. Okay, identify what is repeating on this sentence correctly. Well, you are going to take off the period and substitute Miss Murple with a relative pronoun. Alright? Pause the video. Finish? Excellent. Let's go to the number 2. 8. Sorry. Let's read together. Combine the sentences using a subordinating conjunction. Mark's class finished. Then Mark asked me to pick him up. Okay? Conjunctions. We use conjunctions to link two ideas. We can replace this with a conjunction. Which one? These are the conjunctions. And if you want to learn more about them, if you want to remember everything, go to page 84. There is all the information, okay? So pause the video and answer. Ready? Go. And when you are ready, you can unpause the video and we have to continue. Ready? Excellent. Number 9. Write a sentence using the verb do, does, or did. Super easy, class. We already know this. Remember that we use do with I, you, we, and they, and we use does with he, she, and it. Super easy. And remember that we use did for all of the subjects when it's a past tense. Did, past tense, right? You need to write down a negative past tense and a question, okay? If you want to read more about it and check some examples, well, then go to page 86 and 87. We learn about this on those pages, okay? Pause the video, and when you finish, unpause it, all right? Go. Ready? Excellent. Number 10. Write on the lines if each sentence is future simple tense or future progressive tense. All right? Sentence number 1 is, they are going to climb the mountain next week. And number 2, I will be playing video games after lunch. Okay, super easy. Remember, future progressive uses a verb ending on ing. Future simple tense uses going to. Super. If you want to learn more, remember that we learned this on pages 90 and 91. Okay, pause the video, answer the number 10, and when you finish, unpause the video. Okay, go. Ready? Excellent. Let's go with the number 11. Write sentences using the future perfect tense. All right, super easy because we learned this already. Okay, we already know this. Remember, the future perfect tense uses this structure: subject plus will plus have plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence. Here is the formula. Remember that for negative is subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence, and in interrogative is will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus the rest of the sentence, and ending on a question mark. Super easy. But if you want to check more information, the pages are 92, 93, and 94. On those pages, we already learned the future perfect tense, right? So on this, you're going to write down one negative, one interrogative, and one affirmative, right? So pause the video, and when you finish, unpause it so we can continue. Ready? Excellent. Let's go with the number 12. Complete the sentences with indefinite pronouns. A. Instead of choosing one of the two books, he bought. Letter B. I ate one piece of pie, and then I ate. Okay? Indefinite pronouns. We already know this, okay? Remember that we use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are, okay? Super simple. If you want to review what you did like 2 weeks ago, the pages for indefinite pronouns were 96 and 97. You can go to those pages and review what we learned, right? But for now, you need to complete these sentences with an indefinite pronoun, right? Here you have a list of indefinite pronouns. And now pause the video, and when you finish, unpause the video. Go. Ready? Excellent. Congratulations. We're going to finish this with the number 13. Ready? Let's read. Write the adjective terrible in its comparative and superlative forms. Right? Letter A, comparative. Letter B, superlative. Okay. First, okay, remember we learned this like on the last week, right? Last week we learned this comparative and superlative. It's super easy. Okay, so terrible, how many syllables? Terrible. Terrible. 3. If you want to review what you did on the book, the pages for comparative and superlative are 98 and 99. Okay, you can go to those pages and check the information again. Now is your turn using terrible, right? So pause the video, and when you finish, unpause it. Ready? Excellent. Well, congratulations, because you just finished the last page of review. And with this, we officially finished book number 4, right? So for the next class, we're going to be watching book number 5. So it's going to be something really interesting. Okay? All right, class. Really nice work. I hope that you complete all your work and had a little bit of fun, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, don't forget to take a picture of this page and send it to my email. Right? I will see you on the next week. Bye bye.